Very much enjoying it. Wide scope of topics, speakers, and experts, both in Geosolutions and other states, so it's very informative.
Yeah, so far I've honestly learned so much. My first pre-conference training was on LMI, and I learned a lot of information that I can actually take back to capital area workforce development and use within the capital area region.
Just do it. There's such an option no matter what area you work in, whether you're working in programs, with employers, with policy, there's an option for you to come and glean and learn from other partners.